Hello children, myself Mrs. Aarti and I welcome you all back to the online classes. Children, in the previous session we have completed our 6 chapters of EVS and now it's a time for our revision. Children, our annual exam is coming now, so we are going to start our revision from this class children. So we are doing our revision bit by bit. So children, in this session we are going to discuss about true or false, and stick the correct word, match the following and missing letters. All these 4 bits are covered in this first video of revision children. Now let us study up first about the true or false, and this true or false contains all the 6 chapters. True or false are included in this bit children. So first is we sent letters through the police station. Children, will we send letters through police station? Tell me, is it true or false? Yes, it's a false, because we send letters through post office, not by police station. So what should I write there? I will write there as false. So F-A-L-S-E, false. We send letters through police station is a false. Next children, the rose plant is a herb. Children, the rose plant is herb. Yes or no? No, no, the rose plant is shrub. The question is, the rose plant is a herb. Tell me whether it is true or false now. Yes, it's a false. So in the blank, I will write as false. F-A-L-S-E, false. Next, we will go to the third. We throw colored water on each other on Diwali. Children, on Diwali we play with colored water. No, when we will play with colored water? Yes, on Holi festival we play with colored water. Here the question is, we throw colored water each other on Diwali. Is it true or false? Yes, obviously it is a false. So in the blank I will write as false. F-A-L-S-E, false. Next, lion eat fruits of trees. Children, this lion will eat fruits of trees. What it eat? Children, it will kill the other animals and it will have its flesh as food. Here the question is, lion eat fruits of trees. Obviously it's a false. So in the blank I will write as false. Next, flowers are in full bloom during spring. Flowers are in full bloom during spring. It's a true or false children? Yes, it's a true. Flowers will bloom in the spring season. So I will write here as true. T-R-U-E, true. Next, Christmas is celebrated as the birthday of Jesus Christ. Christmas is celebrated as the birthday of Jesus Christ. Yes children, Christmas is celebrated as the birthday of Jesus Christ. Is it true or false now? Yes, it's a true. So I will write here true. T-R-U-E, true. Next, the cobbler cuts our hair. Children, who cuts your hair? In the chapter people who help us will learn know who will cut our hair. Yes, the barber will cut our hair. So here the question is, the cobbler cuts our hair. Is it true or false? Yes, it's a false. So I will write here as false. F-A-L-S-E, false. Next, sick people are looked after in a hospital. Sick people are looked after in a hospital. Is it true or false children? Yes, when you are not feeling well means where you will go? You will go to hospital to get treatment. So sick people are looked after in a hospital. So it is true. So I will write here as T-R-U-E, true. So children, we have studied this 8 true or false. I will repeat once again. We send letters through police station. False. Next, the rose plant is a herb. False. We throw colored water on each other on Diwali. It's a false. Next, lion eats fruits of trees. Yes, it's a false. Flowers are in full bloom during spring. It's a true. Next, Christmas is celebrated as the birthday of Jesus Christ. So true. or false. Next, we will move to the second bit, that is tick the correct word. The heading is tick the correct word. First, we feel cold or hot on a sunny day. Children, what you will feel on sunny day? You will feel cold or hot? Yes, you will feel very hot on a sunny day. So, I will put the right mark for here hot. We feel hot on a sunny day. Next, Diwali is a festival of light or colors. Children, Diwali is festival of light or colors? Tell me. Yes, Diwali is a festival of light. So, I will put a right mark for light. Next, insects have 5 or 6 legs. Children, how many legs insects have? 5 or 6? Yes, we learned no in the chapter Animals Around Us. Insects have 6 legs. So, I will put a right mark here for 6. Next, we buy things at the market or hospital. Children, from where we buy the things? From market or hospital? Yes, we buy the things from market. So, I will put a right mark here for market. Next, plants keep the air clean or dirty. Plants will keep the air clean or dirty, children? Yes, plants keep the air very clean. So, I will put a right mark for clean. Next, a farmer or potter grows food for us. Children, we have learned no who grows food for us? Yes, a farmer or a potter? Yes, a farmer will grow food for us and a potter will make earthen pots. Here, who will grow food for us? Yes, it's a farmer. So, I will put a right mark here for farmer. Next, the fish or cow lives on land. Children, which animal will live on land? Yes, fish will live in water and the cow lives on land. So, what I should take here? Yes, I will take here as cow. The cow lives on land. Next, condition of air is called season or weather. The condition of air is called what, children? Condition of air is called weather. So, I will put a right mark for weather. Condition of air is called weather. So, children, this is about the take the correct word. I will repeat for you once again. We feel hot on a sunny day. Diwali is a festival of light or colors. Means Diwali is a festival of light. Next, insects have 5 or 6 legs. Insects have only 6 legs. We buy things at the market or hospital. We buy things at the market. Next, plants keep the air clean or dirty. Plants keep the air clean. Next, a farmer or potter grows food for us. A farmer will grow food for us. Next, the fish or cow lives on land. Yes, the correct answer is the cow lives on land. Next, condition of air is called season or weather. The condition of air is called weather. Children, now we will move to the third bit, that is match the following. Here, children, one side the question will be there and you should match with the respective answer. First is what, children? Hospital. First is hospital. Here you see the answers, children. Hospital, shed, festival of colors, stationery shop, letters, trees, heart, to cure sick people. Hospital means, children, if you are not feeling things, you will go to hospital. Hospital is a place where the sick people are treated. So, I will join this hospital to this number G. Hospital is to cure sick people. You can match the following in two types, children. You can draw a line or you can put a number as 1. It's a 1 number. Hospital matches with the to cure sick people. Next, big and tall plants. Children, what is big and tall plants called? We have learned now in the chapter plants around us. Big and tall plants are called trees. Now, here we will search the option trees. First is shed, festival of colors, stationery shop, letters, trees. Yes, the option is E. So, I will join this big and tall plants to trees. Big and tall plants to trees. And it's a second number. You can do any way, children. Here I will put number 2. Next. shed. So option A is the correct answer. So I will join this cow to shed. See, it's a third number. So I will put here as number 3. Next, 15th August. Children, which day 15th August? 15th August is celebrated as a Independence Day. Here you check the options, children. Festival of Colors, Stationery Shop, Letters, Hot, Independence Day. So 15th August is celebrated as a Independence Day. So I will join this 4th to H. Here the number is 4th. So I will write here as 4. Next, Holi. Holi is a festival of light or colors, children. Holi is a festival of colors. So here the option B is correct. So I will join this Holi to festival of colors. This option is of 5th number. So I will write here as number 5. Next, to buy books and notebooks. Children, to buy books and notebooks, where you will go? We will go to stationery shop. Here C is the stationery shop. So I will join this 6 to C, and here you can put the number as 6. Next, summer. Children, summer is hot or cold season? Yes, summer is very hot season. Here you see the children, here is letters is remaining and the hot is there. So summer means hot. So we join this summer to hot. And also you can put the number as 7. This is the 7th correct answer. Next, postman. What do postman delivers us, children? Postman will deliver us letters. Here the remaining is only letters. So I will join this 8th to D. Here I will put a number as 8. So children, you can match like this or you can put the numbers also. Both will be right. I will repeat you once again, children. Hospital means to cure sick people. Big and tall plants are called trees. Cow is in shed. 15th August is celebrated as Independence Day. Holi is a festival of colors. To buy books and notebooks, it's a stationery shop. Summer is means it's a hot season. Next, postman will deliver us letters. So children, this is about the match the following. Next, we will move to the 4th bit. That is complete the missing letters. Children, the letter will be there and one or two letters will be missing. That you should think and you should fill the missing letters. First, R dash S dash. R dash S dash means what, children? Think it. Yes, it's a rose. So I will write here as R-O-S-E. Rose. Next, S dash R dash N-G. What it is, children? S dash R dash N-G. It's a season. No, we have learned. No, it's a spring. So here I will write S is already there. I will write here as P-R-I-N-G. S-P-R-I-N-G. It's a spring. Next, G dash R-U P dash R dash B. What it is, children? Yes, think it. It's a Gurupurab festival. So in the blank what I should write? G is already there. So I will write here as G U R U Guru. P is there. P U Guru Purab. G U R U P U R A B. It's a Gurupurab. Next, A dash T U dash dash. It's a what it is, children? It's a season. So I will write here as A U T U M N. Autumn. Next, T dash A dash H E R. What it is, children? Think it. Yes, it's a teacher. So I will fill the blank already. T is there. E A C H E R. Teacher. Next is S dash E dash. Children, what it is? S dash E dash. It's a shed. This cow lives in shed. So I will write here as S S-H-E-D, shed. Next, T dash M dash L dash. What it is, children? It's a temple. So I will write here as T-E-M-P-L-E, temple. Next, S-T-B-E. What it is, children? It's a stable. So I will write here as S-T-A-B-L-E. This horse will live in stable. So children, this is about the missing letters. Now I will repeat once again. R-O-S-E, rose. S-P-R-I-N-G, spring. G-U-R-U-P-U-R-A-B, guru, puram. Next, A-U-T-U-M-N, autumn. T-E-A-C-H-E-R, teacher. S-H-E-D, shed. T-E-M-P-L-E, temple. S-T-A-B-L-E, stable. So children, this is about the missing letters. Children, in this session we have discussed about true or false, tick the correct word, match the following and missing letters. So children, you should practice all these bits in your EVS homework notebook. So children, in the next session I will discuss another more bits of the revision. Thank you children. Have a good day.